In this video I'm showing how to add a front license plate mount to a 2016 Ford F-150. This truck is just an XLT and it didn't come with a place to mount a plate on the front. I'm not sure how common this is on the other trim packages, but either way it's super easy to install one, so I'll show how I did that now. I got the mount off of Amazon for about 15 bucks and I'll leave a link to it down below in the description. It's pretty much what you would expect. It's just flat on the front with some grooves at the bottom to help hold the plate and then some holes at the top for the screws. And then around the backside it's got these plastic fingers that hold it in place on the bumper, so there's no screwing or anything required, which is kind of nice. Installing it's super easy, just put it right side up and snap it in place. The only complaint I have is that for some reason it didn't come with screws. It's even more annoying considering how cheap this kind of thing is to buy in bulk compared to buying it in small quantities. Almost makes you wonder if it was intentional. I'll leave a link to the ones that I use, but I honestly hope you just have some spares laying around and don't have to overpay for these like I did. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. Hit like if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.